be the rest of my life right now.
What?
At night, I can't see, so it's difficult.
I can see up to 6 meters. I've also got night blindness, so that's when I can't see properly at night.
Give me your wallet, bruv.
Wait, what?
Give me your wallet now.
But I need
Bruv,
to...
give me your wallet now.
In real life, people put me down, they like made fun of my eyes, and they love to like take advantage of me because they know I can't do anything to them or say anything to them because like I have a disability, so they just take advantage of that.
Playground action! I try and highlight this with people who know how it is, how it feels to have these conditions. Then it would make it way easier to write and direct.
Oi, Format! Hey! No one's here to protect you. I saw you from my window and bro, you're losing CAG because of your dumb eyes.
Well, if you take me home, you can. So I've lost my phone.
I saw you from my window. You're losing CAG because of your dumb eyes.
It's because of the hard work that they put into pre-production without my input that convinced me to actually take this seriously and start calling my contacts and people that are my supporters to say, these children are going to be making a film.